Our story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price, loaded with features. Features also include heated seats, premium sound system, heads-up display, limited slip differential. With these ratings, come test drive the 2015 Camaro. Camaro was developed to be 21st century on every level, from its awe-inspiring design to its outstanding performance to its impressive efficiency, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, steering wheel audio controls, power passenger seat, keyless entry, traction control, anti-lock braking system, backup camera, remote engine start, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.